Bounce.
Ah, fuck!
I don't even have it on.
Put on his head.
You always made fun of handicap. The only thing I never understood was why. I don't know. I guess I could never stand the thought.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
You may say I'm a dreamer.
Bruh.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who invited?
A lot of dirt out of them, and that's awesome. So don't forget to clean your seatbelts. That's all there is to it. And with all the seatbelts cleaned, now let's finish up by cleaning.
Show me the life hack that you randomly saw one day that is now an unconscious standard practice in your life. I'll go first.
Good job.
It's because it's flitting around like
I
a
know.
firefly.
I know.
We have one smart cat and one dumb cat. One who sees the laser.
السلام عليكم. لا تنسوا الاعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك في القناة تشجيعا لنا لنستمر بنشر المزيد إن شاء الله.